Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 6, the triangle and its property chapter. Exercise 6.3. Second Roman onwards we are going to discussion doing the diagram is given there. Find the values of the unknown x and y value find out type question. A question diagram is given there. In this way diagram they mark it as here x y outside of 120 degree they given there. Here they given as a 50 degree. We want to find out. Here how to find out x and y. The looking time we understood that for identification mark an alphabet A, B, C and this part mark it as a D alphabet. Then look here, ACD is the exterior part. Exterior property apply. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite to interior angles. They are equal. Exterior angle and the sum of the opposite two angles also become equal. With respect to C vertex, which are the opposite inside angle, interior means inside angle, B and A angle are the inside angle. Last class we learned. So we can apply that property and y value find out. Y value getting after here x value find out. X or otherwise yes, y value how to find out x value getting there. X value getting after y value find out. Y value how to find out angle sum property apply and find out there. So first the exterior angle property with respect to ABC triangle, which are the exterior side angle, ACD angle is exterior. That is equal to sum of add which angle I opposite to interior angle A plus angle B. ACD value is 120 degree. Angle A is x, angle B given as 50. We want x value. How to find out x value? Plus 50 bring to opposite side. Plus comes to opposite side, change it to minus 50. 120 minus 50 degree equal x value. So how to get that one? How to get an answer become x value become a 70 degree. 120 minus 50 become a 70 degree will x value. So x value okay. Next our aim y value. That is suppose y value also have y value where y is inside the triangle. There we apply which property? Second property we learned angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle says that sum of three angle become how much degree? 180 degree. So that property here we going to apply. So which are the inside angles? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle sum property second we apply that angle sum property. Angle A value is how much? X. Angle B value is 50 and angle C value they mark it as a y. Instead of C place y substitute. But in next step x value we have how much? 70 degree. Just before step we got x value becomes 70. That's why x place 70 we substitute. Plus 50 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. 70 plus 50 comes to be how much? 120 degree. Plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y value how to find out? Plus 120 sent to right side. Plus value goes to opposite side. Transpose taking time minus 120. Therefore y value equal 180 minus 120 because how much? How much will come in the 60 degree will y value become a 60 degree. So see we get a x value as a 70 degree, y value we got it as a 60. I hope you can understand how to find out x and y value. Like this way some more questions are there. Second question next like same process. Angle sum property and exterior angle property or vertically opposite angle property apply. Vertically opposite, they are vertically opposite means that property also apply and finding type question. B question, see like this way. One triangle is there in this way, and these two sides are extending to outside. Then they are given as a 80 degree. Here mark it as y, here 50 degree, and then this part x value. How to find out a y and x value here? Exterior angle property noted with respect here vertically opposite angle we can say. Why? Because 80 and y make vertically opposite, means in this way, in this U shape. One is in top, another previous chapter we learned one is in the line side angle, chapter 50 chapter. One angle is on the top, means second angle is in down, they are vertically opposite. That's why here for identification mark it as A, B, C value, that alphabet also marking. Then we can say your angle C is equal to how much degree? 80. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. That is the reason. That's why y value become a C value become a 80 degree. That means angle C is equal to angle C plus which value we mark a y. So y value become how much? 80 degree. Then next we want x value. X value how to find out? ABC is a triangle. Y value we know, but another A vertex also we know. So A angle also we know. Which angle missing? A B angle. The one angle missing means which property here we applied? Angle sum property of the triangle we applied that. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Which property this one? Angle sum property. Angle A value is 50 degree. Angle B value is x. Angle C represent as y is equal to 180 degree. 50 plus x plus just before step y value we got how much? 80. Instead of y placing 80 substitute equal 180 degree. 50 plus 80 become how much? 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x value how to get? 130 transpose take positive 130 goes to right side, change it to minus 130. So 180 is subtracted with 130. So how much will get in there? 50 degree will get. So that's why we can say x value become how much? 50 degree and y value become 80 degree. I hope you can understand this question. Then one more question. C question. Another question. See how to find out the values. C question. Another model question is but here like this way. In this way they given. These two parts are extended. They mark it as phi. Here 30 degree. Then x. And this part represent as a 60 degree. Here also which property we can apply? Vertically opposite angle. 60 and x are vertically opposite. So x value will get. Then for identification mark an alphabet A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle. Angle sum property apply and y value find out. That is the procedure. So we can write angle C is equal to 60 degree. What is the reason? They are opposite, vertically opposite angle. That is the reason. Then, but actually C place which alphabet they given there x. So x value become a 60. X value okay. Next which alphabet value remaining? Y value. How to find out y value? ABC is a triangle. Angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property applied. Angle sum property. Then angle A represent as a y. Angle B represent as 30 degree. Angle C place x is equal to 180 degree. Y value how much we don't know. Our aim is to y value find. 30 plus x value, just before steps we got the 60 is equal to 180. So y value is 30 plus 60 because how much? 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y value how we get? Plus 90 goes to right side, transpose take it minus 90. 180 minus 90 because how much getting? 90 degree. So therefore y value become how much? 90 degree and x value become 60 degree. I hope you can understand this model question. Then next, these are the different model. Then one more question, D question. Same model, D question. D question. Here they given us in this way. They given like this. Here they mark it as x. Then here x. Then they given us here y and x value. In this way they given there. There also how to find out? We can say x and this x and y are equal. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. So x is equal to y. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. For identification, mark it as give the alphabet as A, B and C. Then here also next what we want to do here, angle sum property. They are applying the angle sum property applying time. How we can write it as vertically opposite x and y are equal. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. How many x are there? Angle sum property applying time. Angle sum property. Then how many x are there? 2 times x are there. Y is equal to 180 degree there. Then here see already we there mark it as equation 1. In equation 1 x and y are equal. That's why instead of a y place, next step we can substitute x. So 2x plus x is equal to 180. How many x are there? 3 times x are there equal 180. 3 table 3, right and left side numbers we can cancel. 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 180 60 time. Therefore x value become how much? 60 degree will get in there. So x is 60, y value also 60. What is the reason? Already we proved that x and y are equal only. X value 60, y value also become 60 in this question. So I hope you can understand this question there. Then next we go through another exercise, that is exercise 6.4. In that 6.4 they says about a sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So sum of the length of one property, another property, sum of the length of two sides of a triangle case is greater than the third side, important property this one. Here any two sides of a triangle adding time, that answer is always greater than the third side. We know that a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. In that 3 sides, any two side take and adding that answer is always greater than the third side measurement. That is the meaning of this property. Related to this property, some questions are there. Here say first Roman exercise 6.4. First Roman 2 centimeter they given, 3 centimeter they given, 5 centimeter. They ask him check it. Is it have a triangle with the following sides? Is it this rule they are satisfying or not? So what we can say here, just a rough diagram drawing. In this diagram mark it as A, B, C. A side just we mark it as 2 centimeter, B side 3 centimeter, C side mark it as 5 centimeter. We want to check this one. How to check? Same rule says the sum of any two sides. So we can add which side? AB side and BC side. AB side plus BC side become AB side value is 2. BC side value is how much? 3. How much will come in 2 plus 3 become 5. 5 is says that they are equal to 5, but third side, but here they are equal only. These two numbers are adding to 5 and third side measurement also become 5. That's why what we can say, it is impossible to get a triangle. That is the question. Here question says that is it possible to have a triangle. Here sum of the length of two sides of two sides is equal to, they are equal only, length of the third side of the triangle, third side. That's why what we can say, so here it is impossible to get a triangle. It is impossible to get a triangle. So first question in this way. Second question, second measurement they given. Second measurement is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Here also rough diagram we can draw there. Mark it as ABC is the triangle. The measurements mark it as 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. How we rule says that sum of any two sides. So we can add AB plus BC. Check it, that side is greater than AC side or not. So AB value how much? 3 plus BC value how much? 6. That value 3 plus 6 become 9. That is greater or lesser than 9 is greater than the third side AC. AC side value is how much? 7. Yes, we know that 9 is greater than 7. Yes, that's why what we can say, it is possible to get a triangle. Question asked that when we get a triangle, sum of the any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side, then only we get possible to draw a triangle. Otherwise we can't able to draw a triangle. That is the meaning of this rule. Here we get AB plus BC side is greater than the third side. Same way, suppose we can take BC and AC. What about BC plus AC? Is it greater than third side? At that time we consider it as AB. BC side is how much? 3. AC side is 5. How much? 3 plus 5 comes 8. 8 is greater than the third side is AC. AB value is yes, 8 is greater. 8 is greater than the 2. That's why. 3 ways we can write. So another one more way is there. Next we can take AC and AB side. Sum of that two sides. AC plus AB side value is greater than a third side. We can consider it as BC. Is it greater than or equal to? Once we check, AC side value is 5. AB side value is 2. 2 plus 5 plus 2 become how much? 7. 7 is greater than, which is our third side. BC is the third side, 3. Value of BC is 3. So 7 is greater. Any order side, two sides take and add in time, that answer is greater than the any third side of the triangle. That's why second question, it is possible to draw a triangle. One more question. Another question, C question. Is it possible or not? Second time, is it possible to get a triangle shape? C question. C type question. One more question. Values they given as 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, like this. Here also rough diagram we can draw. Rough diagram. Mark it as A, B, C. Any alphabet. AB we can consider 6 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, AC represent as 2 centimeter. 3 ways writing it is satisfying means we can say it is possible. First we check it 3 ways possible or not. First way here First we can consider AB and BC as a sum of the two sides. Then check it, is it that value is greater than the third side? Now we consider AC as the third side. AB value how much we consider? 6. BC value how much? 3. 6 plus 3 become 9. 9 is greater than AC value. Yes sir. 9 is greater than the AC value 2. So that part. First case okay. Next again two more ways are there. Second way is we can consider BC and AC and take it as AB as the third side. Then is it possible or not? The BC value is 3, AC value is 2. 3 plus 2 become how much? 5. 5 is it greater than AB value? Not greater. 5 is lesser than 6. That's why here second way not possible. 3 ways we can able to draw, write the sum of the angles. The third way is, what is the third way? Next we can take AC and AB, and the third side we can consider it as a BC side. AC side is 2, AB side is 6. 2 plus 6 become how much? 8. 8 is greater than. Third case okay, but the second case not possible. Any condition not satisfying, it is not possible to draw a triangle. That's why what about the C question answer? It is not possible. What is the reason here? Sum of these two sides become lesser than the third side. Our property says that sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Here 3 ways writing time, 1 way writing that way is lesser than the third side. Here that condition is not satisfying. Therefore we can say C question is impossible to draw a triangle. Then next, these are the related question for the first Roman. Next we go through another one. Another question. Another question they says about, they tells about here. Next one is second question. AM is a median. AM is a median. They given as a median. Last class we learned that of a triangle ABC. ABC triangle, median is then they asking AB plus BC plus CA. We want to prove that twice of AM. Diagram also with there. Here ABC triangle is there. We can mark an alphabet ABC. Then which is the median? What about median? Last class we learned median means from through vertex draw a line to the opposite side of a triangle, where to draw on the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle. From a vertex to draw a line to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle, we get a median. There they mark it as AM is the median. What they ask you to prove? We want to prove AB plus BC plus CA is greater than the 2 times median AM. AM represent as a median of the triangle. How to find out? How to find out that? First here see ABC triangle is dividing, cutting by a AM median. So it we get how many triangles? 2 triangles are forming there. Which are the 2 triangles? ABM triangle. Second triangle we can take it as a AMC triangle. In both cases that property apply. Which property? Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the third side property. There apply and mark it as a first and a second equation. First and second equation adding time, this answer getting or not checking. That is the aim of this question. First, which triangle we going to take? AM median. Divide the triangle into ABC triangle into 2 triangle. So first we consider left side triangle, that is ABM triangle. ABM triangle. which property? Sum of two sides. So which are the two sides we consider? AB side plus a BM side are the two sides. That side is greater than which is our third side. AM is the third side of a ABM triangle. Then there we mark it as a equation 1. Which property? Here sum of that property we apply. Sum of two sides case. Two sides of that property we are applying. Next we consider second triangle, which is a second triangle, right side triangle, ACM triangle or AMC triangle. There also that same property we apply the AMC triangle. In that triangle also sum of two sides, which are the two sides, AC and CM are the two sides. Sum of the two sides AC plus CM is greater than third side of the triangle is AM side. There we mark it as equation 2. Add first and second equation. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Left side is added with left side. Right side part is added with right side. Left side of the first equation is AB plus BM is added with left side of second equation is which one? AC plus CM is the left side of the second. Left side is added with the left side. Then which symbol is the greater than symbol? Then add the right side of first and second equation. Right side of first equation is AM. Same way second equation right side also AM. Then here same we get AB plus, but in our question three sides or AB plus BC plus CA. Then AB part, okay, here AB is there, CA or AC part is there, but these two are extra there. How to get that answer? See where that BM and CM, BM and CM, they are joined in time. We get to which side? BC side. BM is the half, CM is the another half. Two half are joined in time, we get a full line. So we can write these two are right together. Next step we can write AB plus these two right together. BM plus CM right together. Then third side is AC is greater than. Here how many times AM are there? 2 times AM side is there. Then BM plus BM is the half of that side. Then CM is the second half of that side. This half of side were joined in time. We get to full side, which is a full side BC. Instead of that bracket to place, we can write it as a BC plus third side is AC greater than 2 times A. Hence we proved. So we proved the C AB. BC, AC. The AC or CNA order we can write is greater than 2 times AM side. I hope you can understand this question there. And then remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.